Hello friends, this is Dharani. Welcome to Smart Invest Capital. So many friends are requested to put me on English, those trading videos, investment videos, because they are from other state and other language. So it's better to understand if you put English. So that's why I have started a video on English as well as I'll put in Tamil. So today our topic is I'm going to start from basic. What is stock market? What's different between investment and trading? So what are benefits we can get from investment and trading. So those we can see in this video. If this video like, you can subscribe, also like, comment, share with friends. If you have any topic to need to discuss, then we just put in the comment so we can discuss on that. So first, why we need to invest? Okay, first of all of them we know only two things need to invest. One is land, we'll buy the house or land, otherwise we'll invest in gold. So those are, we need bulk amount to invest, like 1 lakh 2 lakh something. If you want to buy house, you need to have minimum 30 lakhs. You need to if you need to build a house, need to get the loan from bank, then need to pay the interest. So those things are there. Instead of that one, we can think other way, like stock market. So some other people are thinking that is gambling, or most of people say it's stock market gambling. You will lose the money, you never get any gain from that, like that they will say. But that's not all wrong. If you take other countries like US, Singapore, any other Japan, if in any other countries, bank, there's no interest on that, maybe less interest compared to India will pay, like if you put FD 1 year, they're paying 5%. But if you put in the other countries in the bank, there's no interest. So most of them will do in the share market, in the investment. So if you put, if you do the investment in the share market, you get the better returns. Also you get more than FD and FD or RD. Like if you put FD, normally we get 5%, but if you put in share market, you get minimum 10%, 8 to 10% based on market condition. Also tax savings, if you like, if you're from India, like you're working, then you want to save tax, then you can do the investment. If you do the LIC housing, maybe if you do the LIC policy or some other FD, like also provident fund or something, post office, that will take long time. When we, like you have to pay 20 years, after 20 years you have to withdraw money. But if you do the mutual fund, from that you can do the save tax, but you can withdraw money within 4 to 5 years. So like that you can do also other option. So that is the benefit of doing investment share market. Also you can do trading, like if you have knowledge, then it's very good business. You can do that. If you like, you have 1 lakh rupees, you can rotate, you can buy and sell in short time. Like you buy 100 rupees, sell 110 120 rupees, you get 300 400 rupees profit based on capital. Also if you like, you need to have minimum only capital, minimum capital, you can do that. Also you just need only laptop or mobile, you can do that. So that is the benefit of trading in share market. So those things we'll discuss in further video one by one, what are things are there. So please subscribe for that. So what's different between investment and trading? Investment is long term, like five minimum 5 years. I'm saying 10 15, like you buy some share, just keep on accumulating that one. So when it withdrawal after long time, it will be very huge amount like this. That is investment. Trading nothing but short term. You buy today, you have target. If you achieve by tomorrow, you will sell. Otherwise wait for the target, like maybe 1 or 2 months, like that. So there are different type of trading. We can discuss in later further videos, next videos. So knowledge, when I compare knowledge, investment just basic, you need to know only that the stock is a fundamental analysis. They say fundamental analysis, like the stock is good, company is good, how is the profit loss, those things enough to buy the to do the investment. When you're trading, you need to know depth knowledge, like you need to do technical analysis, like when you can buy, when you can sell, like that you have to do. Because there are some graphs, some charts are there, you can do the analysis, like this stock is low or high, you can compare that one. You can do some, there are indicators you can confirm. So I can go, I can buy now, I can sell on when this reach this target, I can sell, like that you can confirm. You can do the analysis on the chart, that is technical analysis. So investment, just you go and buy. If you, whenever down, whenever dip, you buy that, like the stock is now 10% down, just buy some quantity. Another 5% down, just by quantity. Because after long term, maybe if you consider like HCL, buy now, just buy some quantity. Then if it is some, maybe it's getting some cheap, then buy. because we are not going to do withdraw now. We are going to withdraw after 5 or 10 years. It's must go into growth, because now IT is very good anyway, not going to be down. So that will be growth after few years, like 5 to 10 years. So that is different between investment and trading. So I'll do the small example. With the example you'll understand more clearly on that. So for that I'm taking one example. So Nifty B is nothing but just one stock based on index. That means Nifty 50 is the combination of 50 stock that based on the up and down, that the Nifty B's the value will be vary. Okay, first top 50 companies. You hear about that everyday news, like company like Nifty 50 going, market going down, up and down. How they define is based on Nifty 50. If Nifty 50 goes up, then market is up. Nifty 50 is down, the market is down. Okay, so the same thing they convert as that index as a convert as a stock. So you can buy, you can go on stock market, you can go and buy that stock that you can accumulate. Okay, because sometimes you don't want to, sometimes I don't want to put the research on that like that because I don't know which company need to buy. So in that case you can go and buy this index, okay, based on Nifty 50. Anyway, this index or this market going to grow up like after 5 years, and now 50,000, 15,000, maybe after 15 years maybe 20,000, 25,000, maybe 50k. Some people are expecting 50k will be reached after 2035, like that. So in that case it will be huge benefit. So now just we are going to see example. How can I, you have 500 rupees monthly, how can I invest that one for this Nifty B's? So I take the data on last 1 year, like 1st of January to 1st of February, like I took 1 year of data. So current, the each month that's current price 129, like 1st of Jan 129.42, 1st of February 152.52. Like if you see the crash when the corona time, the crash, its market crashes. So that time 98.8, 1st of April 89.35. So according to 500 rupees, how many quantities you can buy? Like if you have 152 that price, you can buy 3 quantity. If it's 98 rupees, you can buy 5 quantity. It's based on the how much you are going to buy. Now currently I took 500 rupees. Okay, so overall the 1 year I bought, every month I'll go and buy 500 rupees first of every month based on the holiday. If it is holiday, I'll buy next month. Okay, then if we consider the overall, I bought 64 quantities for 1 year. The average price, if we combine all the price, 121.59 paisa, that is for the average. Okay, so 64 into 121.59, that is your investment 77. So that's the investment. Current price now 160.9. okay, see 40 rupees profit per share. Okay, so overall value is 10,000, around 10,500 rupees profit. So in overall value, when I say profit, compare like overall value minus investment, you can see profit 2,500 rupees profit for 1 year. You're just putting monthly 500. Okay, so profit percentage is 32.32 percentage. Okay, so when I put this value in the bank, you never get any profit. Like if you put 1 lakh in the FD, after 1 year, you're going to get just 2,500 rupees. That's 5% profit. See here how we did. But this time Corona crashes, that's why it's huge profit. Don't expect this profit on every time. I'm saying you will get minimum 10% profit more than FD. Maybe I'm saying guarantee, I'm saying 10%. You get more than that, 15, 20. Okay, we'll see how to do that one by one, further videos. This is an investment. Okay, just you save some money and buy the share. Like normally we know, right? Just we need to have the good habit to have the save the money. Like instead of, maybe we will have the waste money for biryani. Okay, I'm not saying wasting. Instead of having biryani, we can do that some investment here. Maybe we'll buy unnecessary things. Instead of that one, we can do the investment, and from that you can buy the things. Okay, like you get some profit, you book some profit, you buy the things whatever you want. So it's a good habit to do like that. So for the videos we'll go one by one, see how, what are share, what we can do like that. Okay, stock market basic terms. So what are terms you need to know when you're doing the, like when you're understanding the stock market? Okay, stock market. Okay, first stock market nothing but you can buy, share and sell. Like how we are doing the supermarket. If you want to buy vegetables or fruits, we are going to supermarket to buy things. Same thing, stock market, you can go to buy and sell the share. Okay, what's equity? Equity nothing but the company share, nothing but share. Okay, like I want to buy HCL company, they will say equity. Okay, then need to have the demat account. Demat account nothing but is a bank account where you save this your your holdings, your stock. Like I bought HCL 10 stock, I bought, where you save, like how you have the bank account. Same thing like demat account. So there are two companies, one is CDSL, NSDL, we'll discuss in later. Like you will have the proof, right? Normally you buy the land, you will have some agreement, right? I bought this agreement for this name, like that. Demat account, when you buy share, you will get the agreement, like this guy having 10 share of this company. Okay, so no problem. Like sometimes maybe trading platform, like some companies they'll devolve or something issue something, but your share will be there. Whenever you want to, you can sell there. You can go on sell from your demat account. Trading account nothing but there's a trading platform where you can buy and sell. Okay, like there are two stock exchanges, one is NSE, one is BSE. Okay, further video, on the video we'll discuss that one. Okay, you cannot directly buy from the stock exchange, so the broker need to be there, some broker in that is trading account. So there are so many brokers. I'm just took example Zerodha, HDFC Securities, Upstocks, IC Securities, so many brokers are there. So whichever you want, you can do that. As per my knowledge, maybe Zerodha is good. They are everything, they are improving a lot, so I feel Zerodha is good. So we'll discuss later how to open the account one by one. So need to have two account, one is demat account to store the share, trading account to buy and sell. Okay, this is the basics of stock market, the terms. So there are two ways to investment. Okay, one is equity, you can go and buy and you can go and buy and sell yourself. Like I want to buy some companies, I know some companies can grow further, so you can go and buy sell. Okay, mutual fund nothing but some scheme, there are predefined scheme, you can go and buy based on risk, you can go and buy. Okay, just you can do the systematic investment plan, like monthly buy, like this. You can, like how we are putting the RD, right? Monthly withdraw from my account. Same way, how you want to, like how much money I want to put the mutual fund, you can put that one. Also there is a risk, based on risk you can select the scheme. Just simple example, I want to go Simla tour. Okay, just took example. I want to go Simla. Okay, equity is nothing but your own research, you are doing some research to do the Simla, like how can I go bus or air, based on your money, right? Because some people have huge money, then they can go, they can prefer as a bus or flights, they can prefer flight. Some people have the limited money, they can prefer bus. So how we want to go, same, which hotel you want to book, need to plan where you want to stay, or which our place can see, where you're going to have food. So those are things, how the climate, everything need to understand, need to plan accordingly. So those things are equity, how you are buying. You need to have some research to do that, you need to spend some time to do. Mutual fund same, like travel guide or tour guide, travel business or travel agent or tour guide. So they will plan, they will have the scheme. Okay, I want to go Simla, so these are places we cover, here you are going to stay, these are the food, there are some packages, you can select the patch, which package you want. So you will not do anything, they will take care of you everything. Okay, but they will charge some money. And when you select yourself, you need to do some research on that. So there's a difference between equity and mutual fund. Okay, so as a beginner, normally everybody will do mutual fund, some amount you can do mutual fund. Okay, like if like you are saving 2000 rupees, 500 rupees monthly you put mutual fund. Okay, at end of the, when withdrawing, need to pay some processing fee, that will be 0.5 percentage. Okay, that will be less based on the scheme. Okay, we see one by one further videos, next videos. Okay, so there's a difference between equity and mutual fund. Okay, I think you guys like the video. If you have any questions, please comment on that. Please share with your friends. Please subscribe. To get the latest update, please click the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.